to YouTube, back at it again with another video, trying to make it dope for you. You know what I'm saying? What am I gonna talk to y'all about today? Oh, future mods. That's what this is about. Really don't know where to begin, man. Don't know how to start this video off, but let's see. Yeah, I don't know what next mod is going to be per se, but I know it's gonna be coming soon since it's already the new year. A couple people they know exactly what I'm finna be doing, but Griselda finna get rapped. I'm finna rap her. That's right. That is right. I'm finna rap her. Oh, here's the update on tie letters or the DIY or whatever. It's still on there. It's done lost its white color. And it's peeling off, as you can see. But it's still on there. I mean, so it is doing that much. But yeah, first mod coming soon. Probably the real tie letters. I'm gonna probably get the real tie letters to put on there. I literally work across the highway from Summit, so I'm finna put the tie letters on here. Let me see. I seen a guy on Instagram I'm following. I would really like to get that grill changed out, but in the meantime, I don't know. Anybody else have these issues too? Let me see if I can focus that out. Yeah, it's like in the paint. I don't know if a clay bar treatment to get it done or whatever, but it's in there. I don't like it because it's like all types of bug marks and everything on my car. It won't come off. This is Plastidip. That's overspray. I gotta get that off. But I got in some mud. No. But let me see. It's another mod I'm gonna do. Try not to make it too long. If I don't do the half engine covers, I'm gonna probably just paint mine. Cause I took it off, so I'm probably just gonna paint it. Or I seen somebody modify theirs. They like cut the middle part out and they left the sides. So I don't know. It looked pretty good. What is that? See that? Dirt. I don't know what's up with that, man. I don't like that. It's like extra dirty. I need to take it to the car wash bad. I don't like having a dirty engine bay. But yeah, back to the coater intake. Gonna have to get one. I am gonna get one. I just don't know when. If I can find somebody getting rid of one, I can just scoop, somebody getting rid of one, part one out, then I do that. But sorry for that little noise. That's the lights. I think, yeah, they just went off. But yeah, that's and a catch can. I'm definitely finna get a catch can put on here. I don't know when I'll be able to get it because I'm still looking around on which one I want to get. always wonder what this is too. If anybody know what that is, I really ain't got enough subscribers yet. But if somebody do, let me know. I don't know what that is. It's kind of curious. Oh yeah, and another mod coming up soon. Got something to do with that? You guessed it. Finna be putting some old ride leveling shocks. I don't even know if that's even what it was. I'm just talking. But I'm finna get some old shocks. Finna lower it down. I've been watching a couple videos. It don't look like it's too hard. Like it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna probably get it dropped probably like an inch in the rear, probably an inch in the front. It's already got Bilsteins on it, being a rolling track. So it's still a little bit lower than a regular RT. So I mean, I ain't looking for much because I still do drive out of town and Texas roads ain't all that good. So most definitely gonna see what's up with that. The tips, I'm loving them. A little dirty right now. For those that haven't seen the brand, probably not a lot of people heard of it, but it's U Power. Got them off Amazon. Real good. Um, what you call it? It's a real good sound to it. I gotta get another RT or another R and a T because I got some haters. But that's neither here nor there. Everybody got haters. And last but not least, I have to get this fixed. Something wrong with my subs. I don't know. Excuse the junk, you know. But I gotta get this fixed. I really want to go with a bigger upgrade. I just got this one here a few months ago, and that one I had a little while, and then they do good. I think it's this amp, something wrong with this amp or something. I don't know, but I unhooked it because it's not acting right. But that's another mod coming soon, and get those upgraded. Wicker Bill coming soon. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna get the 3-piece from the ZL1 add-ons, I think, or no, KNG wraps. KNG wraps. I'm gonna go get one, and then I seen one that's got the light up little clear deal on it. I'm gonna get that. Get this took off because I don't know why Dodge did this. It's just dumb. I'm gonna tint these. I'm definitely tint those. That's all I can think of right now, man. Oh yeah, so, soon too. Headlights. Gonna do the headlight mod. Most definitely. Gotta do it. Oh, there's a couple people I know that's plug me in or whatever, but I wouldn't mind doing it myself. I just don't know if I got the patience for it. I gotta get a splitter or something too. Definitely gonna get a splitter or a side skirt or something like that. Run them all over the back. And a diffuser. I'm gonna get a diffuser. I'm probably gonna keep the stock RT rear bumper unless something comes up. Like I may run across one or something like that. And then the hood. Seeing a hood that I like. Or y'all can go hit up gotta have them Nikes. I'll probably put the link in the description or something like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it right now, man. I mean, I don't really got just a bunch of humongous plans right now because, you know, finances ain't all there. But 2020 coming and it's going to bring some major changes. So just wait on it. Oh, yeah. And I'm finna get the rear spoiler for this window. If I don't do that, I'm gonna get the louvers, and I hate when people don't even know the real name or they call them louvers and all that other stuff. It's a louver, and it's old school, and I think it may or may not make the car, but we'll see. But yeah, I don't know, man. Definitely gonna have to get y'all a little what you call it, cold start video. Here go the interior, man. For those that haven't seen it, nothing major. If you know a road and track RT, then this is definitely nothing new. But you see, got the Alcantara suede off up in there, you know. Fuzz buster. I'm over here trying to make a makeshift mount so I can mount my GoPro or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna get some lights for the footwells down here that light up or whatever, like I had in my Impala. Maybe get one that I control by a remote or something. But yeah, man, this is it. You know, got the roof up there. Focus in, focus. Yeah. Yep.
The lotto, I'm fucking, look like a model. Get money, get what they did is the motto. I'm pouring drink, strap the bottle. I'm pouring drink, yeah. I'm pouring drink, strap the bottle. How did I make it this far? I make it, the money go wherever I go. Nigga flexing like I hit the lotto. Look bitch, I'm fucking, look like a model. Get money, every day, that is the motto. I'm pouring drink, strap